Hello everyone, welcome to Dhandeep. In this UPSC Simplified series, we are going to discuss one more question from UPSC Mains PYQ on geography. So here is a question from Mains PYQ. So question reads, what do you understand by the phenomena of temperature inversion in meteorology? How does it affect the weather and the habitants of the place? So these are two parts. There are like two parts in the question. ठीक है, अगर आप क्वेश्चन के अभी कीवर्ड्स को देखें, देयर इज समथिंग आई वुड लाइक टू मेंशन. सो इट इज टॉकिंग अबाउट व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय द फिनोमिना ऑफ टेम्परेचर इन्वर्जन इन meteorology. So even if you do not go through this particular word meteorology, we sufficiently know what we are talking about. We are talking about climatic temperature inversion in this particular case, because in geography mostly we read about temperature inversion in climatology. There are certain conditions of temperature inversions you will find in ocean or otherwise, but in this particular case you are not supposed to bothered with this particular word, because in meteorology यहाँ पर word आ गया है, so you are not supposed to think any different thing. जो आपने geography में temperature inversion पढ़ा है, we are talking about that temperature inversion itself. Now let us identify locus and focus of the question. So when it comes to the locus of the question, locus is temperature inversion. It is well and obvious. We are all talking about temperature inversion. Now in first part, locus and focus is both same. टेम्परेचर इन्वर्जन ही डिस्कस करना है. सेकेंड पार्ट में जो हमें डिस्कस करना है, दैट वुड बी द इफेक्ट ऑफ टेम्परेचर इन्वर्जन, इफेक्ट ऑन वेदर एंड इफेक्ट ऑन हैबिटेंट्स ऑफ अ प्लेस. नाउ हाउ आई एम गोइंग टू अप्रोच दिस पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन, आई विल टेल यू दैट. सो व्हेन इट कम्स टू इंट्रोडक्शन, इन इंट्रोडक्शन देयर कैन बी अगेन टू वेज, definition based introduction or fact based introduction. In this particular question I'm going to choose a definition based introduction. I'll define what is temperature inversion. Now you would be wondering that explain तो करना ही आगे, ठीक है, but now this question is like there are two parts. One part is about temperature inversion where you are supposed to explain the temperature inversion. ठीक है, पूरा process आपको temperature inversion का explain करना है. So merely mentioning definition is not going to be sufficient. ठीक है, तो ये तो मेरा एक अप्रोच हो गया, why I'm choosing definition. Another approach, when it comes to mentioning a fact, there is no good fact which can be used to start this question. ठीक है, ऐसा कोई आपका फैक्ट नहीं है. जनरली कंटेम्प्रेरी इश्यूज पर जो भी बेस्ट क्वेश्चंस होते हैं, देयर यू कैन हैव अ फैक्ट. ये कोर जियोग्राफी का क्वेश्चन है. इन कोर जियोग्राफी क्वेश्चन यू बेटर स्टार्ट विद द डिफिनेशन. Fine. So I'll start with the definition and I'll mention the definition. What temperature inversion is, we all know. Normal, if we see normally, normal conditions is normal lapse rate होता है. As we move to the higher altitude, temperature decreases. But in the case of temperature inversion, to a certain height, we see rise in temperature with height. ठीक है? So ये हो गया आपकी temperature inversion. That is how you have defined. Now we'll move on to body. Let's see what should be the body part. In body part, I will mention everything about the process which is resulting into temperature inversion. ठीक है, because there are two parts. One part is exclusively asking you what do you understand by temperature inversion. ठीक है, so पहले तो मैंने डिफाइन कर दिया कि ये टेम्परेचर इन्वर्जन क्या है, कि नॉर्मली टेम्परेचर वुड डिक्रीज, बट इन केस ऑफ टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज, टेम्परेचर इन्वर्जन टेम्परेचर increases. That is how I have defined. Now I'll move on to next part where I'll explain temperature inversion. I'll say कि see, normally जो temperature होता है, जैसे आप altitude आपका बढ़ते जाएगा 1 किलोमीटर, for every 1 kilometer temperature would drop by 6.5 degrees Celsius per kilometer. That is a normal lapse rate or environmental lapse rate. And in case of temperature inversion, we see negative lapse rate. ठीक है, this word is very important because there is normal lapse rate in normal condition, but temperature increase हो रहा है temperature inversion में, और उसकी एक technical term भी है, that is negative lapse rate. So better mention that negative lapse rate term. Fine. So that will definitely fetch you half marks extra, right? Then as you are explaining, you will also draw a diagram. There is a very simple diagram. Draw two diagrams. Don't draw just one diagram of temperature inversion. This is normal condition and this is temperature inversion. I'm just these diagrams are representative, बहुत precise नहीं है. यहाँ पे altitude लिखना होगा, यहाँ पे temperature लिखना होगा, so on and so forth. But what I'm trying to do is to give you a brief idea on what diagrams you are supposed to draw in this particular part. ठीक है? Now also explain the conditions under which temperature inversion would happen. ठीक है, there are some certain specific conditions. You need a long winter night, right? You need a clear sky, you need stability of air, and in certain areas if there is a snow covered surface, that is a bonanza, right? So that is how the albedo on white surface is very low, and there would be like a lot of heat which is getting radiated back towards the space. Lower region of the troposphere, it would be cooled enough to have colder air which is sinking at the bottom. So you also have to mention this particular fact. See, when you are explaining temperature inversion, you would only say about how temperature is increasing, but then also say कि lower most air आपका troposphere जो है या lower most region जो है, in the lower most region there is the coldest air in the atmosphere, and that coldest air in the atmosphere is also sinking. ये भी mention करना होगा. Then only you are bringing out the meaning of the term temperature inversion. ठीक है? So that is how I am going to explain part 1. Moving on to part 2. Part 2 में effects discuss करने हैं. So what I have done, I will put a subtitle कि effects of temperature inversion. उस subtitle में I will also make subpart A effect on weather, and there will be a subpart B effect on habitants. ठीक है? So this is my part and subpart. That is how you are supposed to divide your answers. That is how you are supposed to structure your answer. Don't just write effects on weather and habitants of the place. होगा क्या, जैसे ही आप एक सिंगल टाइटल में इसको मेंशन करेंगे, you will end up mixing everything. What I am presenting, I will present effects on weather separately, effects on habitants separately. ठीक है? That should be the approach. Now when it comes to effects on weather, we all know there would be fog and low cloud formation when there is a temperature inversion. Air pollution आपका ट्रैप हो जाएगा लोअर एटमॉस्फेयर में. ठीक है? टेम्परेचर एक्सट्रीम्स होंगे. व्हाई टेम्परेचर एक्सट्रीम्स? बिकॉज कोल्डेस्ट एयर इज सिंकिंग एट द बॉटम. आपका जो लोअर मोस्ट सरफेस है, इट इज हैविंग कोल्डेस्ट एयर इन द एटमॉस्फेयर, और एटलीस्ट लोअर पार्ट्स ऑफ द एटमॉस्फेयर, एंड दैट वुड लीड टू temperature extreme. That would be lower side of the extreme. Then there would be reduced vertical mixing. There is one more word which you can use for this particular part. Temperature inversion would promote stability. बहुत ज़्यादा stability होगी. Stability would mean that air is sinking down. There would be no climatic phenomena. Stagnant weather pattern. ठीक है, जब भी टेम्परेचर इन्वर्जन होता है, so that condition would prevail for certain time. Until that time, there would be no movement of air, and that is why we are saying that there is a stagnant weather pattern. Temperature gradient already हमने बहुत बार highlight किया है कि temperature gradient negative होगा यहाँ पे, so that is something you are going to mention. So this is my effect on weather. Most important effect अगर मुझे बताना होगा तो I will mention fog and low cloud formation. I would say temperature extreme. I would also say vertical mixing जो है that has ceased. So these are 3 key points which you are likely to mention. Now moving on to effects on habitants of a place. Part B of my answer. Effects क्या क्या है? Everyone again knows what are the effects on habitants of the place. Air quality बहुत ज़्यादा reduce हो जाएगी because pollution which is emitting in the surface level, be it vehicular emission or industrial emission, those pollutants would get trapped in the lowermost part of the atmosphere, and that is why there would be poor air quality, which is also going to bring on some health hazards. Now interestingly, I would highlight one important point in this particular part. When we are discussing effects on habitants of the place, ठीक है, here you can have some value addition. With each and every single effect, I will have example कि जैसे reduced air quality and impact on health. I'll say Delhi. ठीक है, Delhi is a wonderful example for this. Then there is damage to crops and vegetation. Why there is a damage to crop? Because coldest air is sinking at the bottom. I will give example of Kashmir Valley. What happens in Kashmir Valley? Cold air at the night, it would sink to the bottom, resulting into temperature inversion. There are frost-like conditions in the apple orchards. ठीक है, तो ये भी आपको यहाँ पर मेंशन करना होगा. Aviation disruptions affecting travel plans, that is also one major effect. You would witness this particular phenomenon in Europe and North America. You can give that example. Similarly, higher energy consumption, heating and cooling, that can also be the effect, and example can be Europe. Possible psychological effects due to extended gloomy weather. ठीक है, so these are all the impact on habitants of the place. So that is how you are supposed to mention the effect. Now when we are mentioning effects in this particular part, make sure that you are giving examples. As you give examples, that's a value addition to your answer. In conclusion, okay, diagram part we already have discussed what diagrams we are supposed to draw. In this particular part, ड्रॉ डायग्राम्स इन दी इनिशियल पार्ट. पार्ट 1 में आपको ये डायग्राम ड्रॉ करने हैं, क्योंकि मैंने यहाँ पे स्ट्रक्चर ऐसा रखा है, तो आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू कि क्या क्या कंपोनेंट्स होने चाहिए आपके आंसर के. तो डायग्राम पार्ट 1 में ड्रॉ कीजिएगा, दैट वुड बी मोर लेजिटिमेट. कंक्लूजन में आई विल बी हैविंग अ वेरी सिंपलिस्टिक कंक्लूजन, क्योंकि इफेक्ट तो हमने ऑलरेडी मेंशन कर दिए, जो भी टेम्परेचर इन्वर्जन की फिनोमिना है and its effect we already have discussed. Here I would talk about the way forward. Now way forward about what? अब आप geographical conditions तो यहाँ पर create नहीं करेंगे जिसमें आप temperature inversion को रोके. That is certainly not going to happen. So we are going to suggest way forward for effects on human habitat or the habitats of the place. तो जितने भी, जैसे कि हम लोग दिल्ली का एग्जाम्पल देते हैं कई बार, कि वहाँ पर जो कुछ भी मेजर्स लिए जाते हैं या कहीं और यूरोपियन कंट्रीज में कुछ मेजर्स होते हैं. सो यू विल बी मेंशनिंग कि सी टेम्परेचर इन्वर्जन में लीड टू डिस्ट्रप्शन ऑफ ह्यूमन लाइफ, सो वी शुड बी केयरफुल when it comes to the negative impacts of temperature inversion, and we should limit the pollution during those particular period, right? So that kind of conclusion you can have here. Maybe conclusion cannot be a perfect conclusion in this particular case, but at least try having a conclusion as a way forward in this part. So that was one more question. So see you again in next simplified. So till then, keep watching.